guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in POCO M4. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display and you can start from the widgets. Just look for your desired one and hold the finger on it to choose the place on the home screen for it. If you want to remove, just hold it and swipe it to the right upper side. Now you can go to the settings, and there we have a transition effect. This is the effect when you're swiping the pages, so tap on anyone to play the preview, and if you see your favorite one, just go back and that's it. Now you can go to the more, and as you can see there we have icon pack. If you want to change the design of your icons, just click on the add more, download your icon pack, and you can set it here. If you want to change the outdoor settings, you can do it here. There we have app suggestions and etc. If you want to make a new folder, just hold an app and drop onto another. We have a new folder. Now we can open it to change the name. If you want to remove the folder, you can just hold the finger on it and drop onto remove. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.